Welcome back to my channel. You people, it's time for Makula and Bujingo. Finally, he has done it. Okay, in the end we always say love wins, guys. I think it is love. Let's just take a chill pill, let the lovebirds enjoy their honeymoon. I think we should even stop this thing of simanya ya ba, simanya ya kola bichi, simanya bichi. Let's just pretend that love won. Yes, the love has won. Finally, he visited the parents last week. Now today he's been there for Kwanjura. I think the wedding is coming. I think tomorrow or next day he will be on the church. He's going to announce the date for the wedding. We can't just wait. Otherwise, baby girl Suzan Bujingo, we wish you all the best of marriage. We wish you luck. It's your time to shine. Team koza neno mchala. Team Teddy Bujingo, please, let's dry our tears. Let's keep our ring, for better, for worse. Until death do you apart. Bye, guys.